Hi guys. So I'll be making this video for those newbies in crypto airdrops. Yeah, because some people are having issues in creating the Sollet web wallet. So what I'll be doing now is just go to your browser, Chrome. I'll be using Chrome. Then I'll open a new tab. Then type in sollet.io. Make sure you check that's right and don't type in the wrong one. So once that load up, it's going to bring me a screen like this. Yes, so all you have to do is just scroll up a bit. When you scroll up a bit, you ignore future log dialog. That is it. Then right here you have your seed words. This is your seed phrase. This is the secret keyword to your wallet. So whoever has access to this has access to your wallet. So you have to keep this safe. You have to keep it dearly like your life, so what you have to do now is just download it. Yeah, download. Once you download and save that on your phone, then you also come here and copy. Yeah, so copy this, and I'd advise you to keep it apart from your just don't keep it on your phone alone. You can just try and download and write it somewhere and keep it safe from people. So after that, you check this place, and once you check this, you continue. After continuing, you've copied it the other time, so all you have to do right now is just come here and paste it right here. So you continue, then you can create password. But this one is optional. It is not compulsory for you to create a password, so you can just keep this and just say create wallet. And once you create wallet, then your wallet is ready. This is a web wallet. It does not have an app, so I'll advise you to always make sure you do not go to Play Store to search for it. It is a web wallet, so it does not have an application. It is just a web wallet. So all you have to do is just open any browser. You can work on any browser, so you can go to your Firefox, use your Kiwi browser, any other browser. But I advise you, it is very effective on Chrome browser. So that is your web wallet. That is your Sollet.io wallet, and that is how you go about it. And that's all. Maybe in our next video we'll talk about other Solana wallet that you can use, things like Phantom. So we can talk about that, and I'll tell you that. So thank you guys for watching the video. Stay safe.
Thanks for watching.